How to archive and unarchive Instagram post. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can archive or unarchive Instagram posts. So without any delay, let's start with the process and how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So if you want to archive your post, first of all, in order to archive your post, first of all, log in into your Instagram account. After that, just head over to your profile at the bottom right, and after clicking on it, you'll be finding your post that you posted on your account. So let's say I want to archive this particular post from my account. So what I'm going to do is simply click on this three dot at the top of that post, and here you'll be able to find different options, and you are able to find the option called archive as well. Just click on archive, and that particular post will be archived and removed from your account. So in order to unarchive that post, if you change your mind, just head over to the bottom, just head over to the top right at the menu bar, and after clicking on it, you'll be finding here this option called how you use Instagram, under where you'll be finding different options. You're gonna look up for the option called archive here. Just click on it, and you'll be finding your stories archive. And when you click on the stories archive drop down option, you'll be finding post archive and live archive as well. We're just gonna click on this post archive, and there you'll be finding your archive post. Just click on it and click on this three dot at the top right, and you can see this show on profile option. Just click on it, confirm it, and after that is done, it will be restored in your account. When you get back to your account and refresh your account, you'll be finding that particular post on your account, just like this. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.